How to change username on Vinted. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you how you can change your username on Vinted. So kindly watch to the end. So the first step or the first thing to do is to log in into your Vinted account, just like I have done here. And then I must let you know that Vinted is a site where you can buy and sell products, items, especially used items, fairly used items on most occasions. So once you can see this, the next step is to scroll down where you can see several items that you can get or purchase on Vinted. All right, and then once you can see all of it, just go to the top part of the screen where you can see icons like inbox, notifications, favorites, and then your profile icon. And then once you see, just click on it. Once you click on it, a box will be displayed. In this box, you can see profile, settings, personalization, wallets, donations, etc. Just click on settings, and then once you click on settings, you will go to the settings page. On this page, you would see profile details, and then you'll see your photo, you can see description, you can see country, you can see town and language. And by the time you scroll up, you can see options like account settings, shipping by the left side of the screen. So just click on account settings. After clicking on account settings, you will be brought to the account settings page. On this page, you can see that you can change the email address, you can change the phone number, you can change full name, etc. But you will notice that you cannot change a username, right? This is because your username cannot be changed immediately you create an account. It cannot be changed. That feature has not yet been added to Vinted. So the only thing you can do is that you can either log out or delete this account and then create another account if you want to change your username. And then how do you delete your account? On the account settings page, just scroll down and then you'll see delete my account. Click on it, and from there you'll be directed on what to do. But you cannot change your username directly on Vinted. So thanks for watching and have a nice day.